Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Accord key fob here. It works for these models. Alright, and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2025, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is take this key and turn it right here of the bottom. And right here you see this hole like this right here. Now you need to take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right in this hole. See, insert the tip right here, and when you insert it here, just twist it a little bit, and this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. And now when you separate the fob into two pieces, right after that here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver and from here push the battery down like this. Alright, now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just slide your new battery up like this, and also make sure this side that facing you is the positive side. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces. Again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.